Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to install YouTube application on your Windows computer or laptop, then this video is for you. First, you just need to go to the YouTube. You can search for youtube.com. Right now I'm using Google Chrome browser if you're wondering. So now when you are on YouTube, you can just simply click on this three dot button at the top right corner, and from here you'll find a settings bar where you can just find this cast, save and share option here. So you can just hover over your mouse bar here or the cursor here, then you will find the install YouTube option. So as soon as you click on this, you will find this pop-up where it asking for that if you want to install the YouTube application on your system. So you just need to click on install. So here you can see as soon as we just click on install, it has just installed the YouTube application on our Windows desktop or laptop. So from here you can just sign in, you can use your account to sign in, you can search for anything you want, then you can easily watch video and shorts on YouTube. So you can just get this YouTube application according to your location. So that's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.